Hi everybody, my name is Maddie and today we are talking tie-dye. Now I just did an unboxing of the Tie-Dye Factory by Color Splash, and let me tell you guys, as a veteran camp counselor, I am so blown away by this product. Now this whole kit makes up to 1,000 projects. Summer camp season, kids' birthday party, school field days and school carnivals. This is the product for you. Now these are super pigmented dye powders and they come out with these vibrant rich colors, which is amazing. For all the science geeks out there, the magic ingredient with this kit is called soda ash. This kit comes with 4 jars of it down here. It creates a less acidic solution, and what that means is that it prepares the fibers in your fabric to absorb the color of the dye. Higher absorption means a more vibrant color and a vibrant finish, and it also means that you're gonna have way longer lasting colors, so you won't get that sad tie-dye fade. Now, we've got 8 of these amazing squeeze bottles. I've used these before. These are leak proof. You can mix your soda ash, your dye powder, and your water straight into the bottle. You give it a quick shake here, the top twists open, and then you're ready to get dyeing. Also, which I think brings a huge value to this product, is an idea guide. So this comes with different patterns that you can do. It has, of course, instructions, different design ideas, and different ratios of dye to water that are proven to work. Another thing that is so great about this product is that this isn't just for tie-dye. You can also do immersion dyeing, batik, ice dyeing, and ombre. So all these different techniques are possible with just this one set. So yes, you are able to do your traditional tie-dyeing, but there's also the chance here to try something new with your kids or with your friends. I think this brings a great opportunity for a super engaging activity. I really hope you guys give it a try.